What's up, Virginia Beach? Jared from the Be Well team here. I hope you're enjoying the spring fling so far. Whether you've been with us all day or just tuning in for this session, I'm sure you can benefit from taking a few minutes to stretch out your body and thank it for all that it does for you. If you signed up and received a swag bag with your registration, now would be the time to whip out the stretch band. If you don't have one or you don't have access to it, feel free to go body weight. If you have a towel or a bed sheet, you can always use that as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Our first stretch should be very comfortable. We don't wanna strain our body, force it into a position where it's not gonna be comfortable. So starting with our upper body, working into our chest, we're taking the band, keeping our arms as straight as we can, pulling our arms apart nice and tight as far as we can go comfortably. We're gonna hold this for about 20 seconds. Just breathe in how you normally would, whether that's in through your nose or in through your mouth. Good, and relax. Shake out your arms a little bit. Gonna do a very similar stretch, but now we're working it into a nice side body stretch, twisting from our core, working into our low back. So again, our arms nice and straight, pulling the band apart, and getting that nice twist to the side. Good. Each exhale, each breath out, maybe going a little bit further, a little bit deeper into it. Good, and relax. Our team gonna go ahead, switch sides. So again, arms as straight as you can, pulling the band apart nice and tight. Get that nice twist to your core. Good, so now nice and tall, practicing that good posture. Good, trying to go a little bit deeper if you can. Good, and relax. Again, give your arms a nice little shake. All right, y'all, I know personally I sit at a desk all day and I feel a lot of low back soreness. So this next one gonna work into our back as well as our legs. So our hamstrings, the backs of our legs, a little bit into our calves as well. Gonna keep our legs as straight as we can, maybe a small bend if you need to, but pushing your hips backwards like it's gonna hit the wall behind you. Reaching straight down to touch your toes. Again, feel that nice stretch all along the back side of your body. Good, start to stand up nice and slow, one vertebra at a time. Don't want all the blood rushing to your head. All right, y'all, one last stretch. Now working to the fronts of our legs, our quads. Again, you can use your band if you have it. You can do just with your body weight, but we're gonna grab our ankle if we're going body weight. If we are using the band, we're gonna wrap it around our ankle. We're gonna pull nice and tight, either from here. If you want a nice bigger stretch, we're gonna pull up. Trying to find some balance. If you have something to hold on to, you can. And nice and still here. Good, slowly lower back down. We're gonna switch sides. I'm gonna do this one without the band, just for you all that don't have one. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Again, grabbing your ankle and maybe holding on to something, a wall, a pole, something, maybe you're pulling down on your ear. Finding something to focus on, help with your balance in it nice and still. If you wobble a little bit, as I am, it's all good. Good, and release. shake it all out. I know I'm feeling super loose. Hope you all are as well. If you're looking for more of a real workout, we do have our group fitness class taught by a Parks and Rec fitness instructor later on this afternoon. Or if you want to join some of our other educational sessions, we got a whole bunch for you later today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all later.